You are one. Black people need to say we need police to step forward neck and this and that. Black people don't have nothing, so they just treat with any and any. Oh, so our policy as man, brother, we have to understand say, the way how we make female treat we as king. God vex, and I just treat something with problem. We married to them, and they use against we in a court. We breed them and they use against we in a court. And even if we live with them for a couple of years, they say, what they call it? Parochial law. Common law. Common law. Like somebody me and I say, yo, where, you know, sir? And I tell you, sir, you know, me a business about people and me business still, but let me tell you something. That bigger than me and you have one thing when you're in common law wife. Which part if a woman there with you for 20 years and had 3-4 picking with you? You're in a health thing so you can't just dash away like that.
Yeah? You see, as far as me see, every law in this world is illegal. Me no want no man tell every law illegal because you come see me with a nice house. See, you don't have not even a toilet. You come see me with a nice house. And you come in at this thing and when something go on, or judge can't tell me if it's split my thing, you how you arrive at that.
Well, you are going to make it you see, true, the law is illegal. The only way where this illegal law can fix is when man makes up and nip it in the bud. Bless up yourself, my God. Nip it in the bud. Because even though the law set, you have to understand that the law set for the weaker set. And they know, say, man not really study the law, man too busy. I say, sure, me nobody want to go to court and then something. The woman visit courthouse. So they know the law. So they know, say, you are one. Man now come to court, so you are man have to do you know. Don't breed them, don't live with them, don't marry to them. They make some bombs and I say, yo, courthouse are empty. And the same all set of people still are come and no new people now come. You know what they have to do? Change the law, brother. And all when the law change, we are keep it like that. Because, listen to me, you can't just change the law this week and check say we are going to just jump in a hole and start breed, girl. Because remember, say, on the whole way out like a this for 70 years and a beat you for 70 years. Top breed them. Listen, Google it and you will see down at one place. Me and for Greece or one of them places. Raise a no picking in our body. The man them say, fuck off and go. When I'm married to no, when I'm breeding, they say Japan a pay man if you come to come.
Remember say picking population cut down Jamaica too, you know see the Minister of Health come out and talk about less picking here ban.
And we are push it wicked. Jamaican youth don't breed no girl. No breed them. Put on 3 rubber span and will it. And taking a little time, no be no stamina daddy can boots can bust. Just take a little time and put icky on neck and mama and papa and wine deep in the hole. And papa off in your boots. No breed them. And I can tell you, you are going to see the law change. Mm-hmm.
But I will tell man to marry, brother. Where that come from?
The general. Well, Mr. Reed, listen, you sound like a big man, see? You see, when we are reason, you see, for people take us serious, we have a reason serious. We don't want to talk about where nothing come from and then sit now. We have to hold on as solid as a man. Because when the girl them are reason, the girl them solid. Anything we have to do with man, we don't want to go around no loose argument. Like we're not solid. People already are married. And marriage is a good thing. If marriage is a good thing, a people, a female and a lamb start put it bad. The devil don't like to see when man and woman come together in a union. And family. So marriage is a good thing.
But Carlo, look when me I look on, you pay for marriage, you know. And when if you divorce, you have to pay again, you know. So it look like it's a whole system, money making thing general.
Yes,
Mr. Reed, never know that, brother.
Mr. Reed,
that about.
Yes, Mr. Reed, but you are going it's not like it is a bad thing. It's just because they know say it is a good thing. Anything was good human being, when I love God, find a way where we make it pressuring and make it look demonic and sending the demonic energy if we mash it up. So us as man, I have to understand, so we were married already, I have to tell the little youth them say, don't do it, not over you, so don't, please don't.
The same man just come and say, tell him to go read the Bible. The Bible never say married rasta.
Bible say married is honorable. So married is honorable, brother.
That is why I tell some people say the Bible I want to mix up book, you know, brother. Saying, cause me forgot a wish book, but you have one part tell us say take a woman and call her your wife.
Your wife. And it tell us that married is honorable too.
You see, so me I show you.
Married, no. Let me tell you what happened. Then marriage now become a business, brother. A business. It's a business, you know. You know realize.
Of course. It's a money making
business.
thing. It's a money making thing.
Yeah, it's a business, man. Cause you have to pay for marriage and pay for divorce. And end up lose. Sometimes end up lose your whole your hard earning work where you put in to woman and throw you back on the street and all kind of thing. So it's a business. Can you imagine you work for 40, 50 years to achieve certain little things? And the one little time you go married, you lose back everything and go back on the street and you go and sleep.
Look here. You see, if the government take themselves out of marriage will go good.
That's true, man.
Anything at all, you have to understand, say, the government is of the devil. The government is not of human being. It's just like how the music industry, Lucifer run the music industry. Because Satan is the biggest musician. So don't expect, say, to hear no good artist where you sing anything good. I got champion boy for a mighty long time. It got take 1,000 more years before you see the music industry crumble down to its knee, because it will. Because no matter how you see people them, I say yo rare, them apartheid problem. It's just like first time culture music, roots and culture used to be the music, and the only music that is of God. Did you know that, Fraser?
Yeah.
Roots and culture is all the music where God listen to. Where you can play around God.
True, man.
The music where educate people. Then the only thing where they could have used to mash up roots and culture is love song.
Because I want to tell us something.
One second, let me finish my point now. The only thing where they could have used to mash up roots and culture, where educate people and teach them about Jah and teach them about how Babylon stay. They use love, so they come and trick people with love. Girl, I was born to love you. Oh, girl, kiss me on my neck. And then they use that and kill roots and culture. Black woman and child and all these type of songs. They use love song and get rid of roots and culture. Then after them forcing love song now, they use the slackness. Because remember, say love come with slackness too. You know. You can't sing about love and insights or slackness. Don't Razor?
Don't fall play, fuck it.
Don't fall play. You can't do that. So once you sing about love, girl, kiss you on your neck and your nipple, link me this morning in your lingerie, that make up that next space we girl, cock up and kin out the whole gimme. Because you already, you understand. So listen what I say. At the same thing with marriage right now, me general, Mr. Reid, we only have to just stop doing it. The only way the problem can fix is you have to encourage the newer youth them. Don't do it and don't get no girl pregnant right now. We not say forever, you know. Give the system one nice. Anything where you give 5 years, have to crumble down on the knee. Any system where you rebel against for 5 years, before even 5 years, it crumble down on the knee. I man club this man. We don't tell us I side man corner this man.
Well, if you are going and know the picnic thing, I just say to reach, because if you roll around, that will cut off. You see the next generation who are come up now. It might reach a stage where them come know say boy, man and woman, At that them I come see, at that them I come up in, to hope me see the thing I run right now. So the baby thing I'll cut out as well you say. It will cut right out, trust me.
Mr. Reed, not see a word, because I jump off a live, so
yeah, man, big up yourself, man. More blessing and more love, my brother.
Alright, Mr. Reed.
Yep.
Boy, I never see so much money want to come on for my life, so you have to blood plate. I don't know why problem.
I told me that fire, man.
You know, that me just say serious. Yo, what? Hey,
You don't realize, man. You don't realize you're punching me.
And I can tell you something. Us as this thing we are going, it a hurt female before we come off our life. This thing we are going, a hurt female more than our hurt man. Let me tell you something.
Punching one more somebody in the meantime.
Punching one more somebody.
Yeah.
All attack. You see, single life is for man. Relationship, no man no want a relationship. Me I will tell you, man love being single. Let me tell you this, ladies. If you feel like relationship is it where man love, you make a sad mistake. Man like to have relationships where you don't have no strings attached.
Man like to be free.
Man like to be free. Me I tell you, me humble, and me I tell you, lady, you can cut out this and ask your husband. Your husband don't want married to you. Marriage is for female. There is no man out there who want married. No man. There is no man out there who really want one woman in a house. So let me tell you this. And that's why a man give relationship.
I think you passed up there.
Yes. No man no one married. So when a man married to you, I make it hurt him. You should have yes, females are that's why you have to come out on the feelings. No man, no. Listen, they're supposed to make you feel happy, Louise McLaren. A man no want relationship, but he give one to you. Don't feel cheap. It's supposed to make you feel expensive. Mama, you don't know when a man having one relationship, we can share for 1 million women and he give it to you. It's supposed to make you feel special, man. Come on, man. Me know you don't like when facts are coming away, you don't want facts to sugarcoat. No, this is a sideman corner. If facts to sugarcoat, listen. No man out there want married. No man out there don't need a relationship. He wish if he could have one every day, he have a new woman. He wish if every woman who is partying ever see will look like the woman could have been one and wife. And that's why you have to put price tag by your man when you are in a relationship. And it make your